So now I'm going to start your class, student. I got delay due to some work. So join soon, everyone. Oh, Hare Krishna. Yes, yes. Beta, how are you? Jai Sri Ram, student. Sagar. Hello, beta. Okay. Student, we have to do questions here. Beta, IIT Advance. IIT Advance Bachar Party. This is my dear. 20. Student, this is 2010 बच्चा है. Yes, this is the first question, beta ji. So be attentive, everyone. So beta, note down question with me, everyone. Student, quickly, fast. I got delay, student. When, when to progressive, when to progressive waves, when to progressive waves, y1 is equals to 4 sine 2x minus 60, and student y2 is equals to 3 sine 2x minus 60 plus y by 2 are superimpose the amplitude of the resultant wave. Resultant wave is, beta, it's a integer type question, my dear, right? So again, I can say, my dear, it's not a tough, right? It's a easy questions you can do. Okay. Advanced with 2010, my dear. Student, it's an advanced question. Student, it's a advanced 2010. Okay. So listen, student, everyone yet? It's good question, student. So you can ask first, what is superimpose? So superimpose, you can say, uh, is the point where two waves are meeting each other. two wave what is you can say meeting each other. So directly students just you can first students all of you first beta in step one you can write beta that is equation number one by one is equals to 4 sine 2x minus 60, right? And by two student what you can say 3 sine 2x minus 60 plus 5 by 2. So now beta first you have to must know what is the phase difference between two waves. What is the phase difference between two waves? So you can write students in step 2 phase phase difference that is what 5 by 2. Okay beta. Wait Sagar bacha. I'll tell you bacha. Correct here. Phase difference, what you can see, my dear, this is what basically pi by 2. So, student, for if we have two waves and they are superimposing each other, so student, for that case, simply you can apply beta. That is what, my dear, formula here for resultant amplitude. Beta, what student resultant amplitude here? So, we will get resultant amplitude, right? Bacha ji, for so what's the beta resultant amplitude here? Formula beta. You can apply simple bacha. Summation of two vectors. Summation of two vector which is. So this is what my dear? This is a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 a1 a2 beta ji cos phi. I hope all of you remember yeah, summation of vectors of formula a square plus b square plus 2 ab bacha party cos phi. Good beta. Good saga beta. You look more active here today class. Very good bacha party. Okay. So simply bacha, what is a1? This is a1. This is a2 beta ji. So we can write beta amplitude net. This is what students 3a square plus beta ji 4 square, right? Plus beta what you can say cos 90 0 yeah. So answer you can write bacha ji amplitude net. This is what bacha ji 5. This is what 5 bacha. I can say Sagar okay. Sagar and I can say SS both have the correct answer. Very good. Very happy to see bacha. Literally I'm very happy to see both of you beta. Yes. Yes. Very good beta both of you. You answered these questions easily. Yes. Very good. Yes beta. IIT advanced bacha party. Next question is IIT advanced bacha ji. It's a IIT advanced bacha ji 1985. 1985. Right. Beta, they ask this question is this is 6 marks questions here. This is what my dear 6 marks question. Right. Okay. So beta, what's the question here? The the variation of a strings student, the variation, the variation of a string of length length 60 centimeter fixed at both ends. Fixed at students both ends, right, are represented by the equation by the equation by is equals to 4 sine of pi x by 15 cos of 96 pi t beta. Yes, beta ji. This question, sir, keep in mind, students, y is equals to 4 sine pi x by 15 cos of 96 pi t, my dear. Right? Okay. Uh, Bacha ji, where x and y are in centimeter and time is in second. Student, where x and y are in centimeter and time is in second. Okay. Uh, Now, students, you have to answer me all the part here. It's multiple correct question, student. Right? It's a multiple correct beta. So answer me all the question. So this is students. I can say option first. Can we try? Yes, yes, you can try. You can try beta. I'm writing options. Yes, Sagar beta. You can try. Students, I can say yes. I'm telling you beta. Uh, I can say beta. For your target for what? Student mains or advance? Student, your target. What's your name and from where you are watching? Stream live stream of physics one. What's your name and from where are you watching? Stream live stream. Okay, advance. Okay, from where are you watching? And what's your name, state, district, city? Okay, fine. Okay. So students, if you are literally at advanced bachcha, you are targeting students. So for basic three per student, you have to go through first any of the institution. Yes, beta. I can say, bachcha, you can just follow material of any institution, bachcha. Right. That is the first thing. We can in pan India. That is common things. Then, bachcha, I can say I have to write here only. Huh. Yes, beta. Just go through beta. I can say material of any coaching. Then beta for more grip here, right? Beta do this is I'll not say name any. Huh, okay, okay, okay. I'm telling you, beta. I'm telling you, student. Beta, you will go through beta this book. Yes, beta. You will go through this book, beta. This book, beta. Party. If you have a time, beta, then you will go SCP plus beta. I can say Erudo. Beta more than sufficient students. More than sufficient, my dear. BM Sharma. I can beta this one बच्चा party SCB beta and Nirodo. You can do बच्चा. More than sufficient students. More than sufficient for your. I can will get advanced rank within 1,000% students. I hope. No RD Sharma beta. See carefully. I wrote beta this one. God bless you beta. Okay. So I hope Sagar and SS already you solved the question here. So now I'm writing options here. You can answer me these questions, my dear. Option first. What is the maximum displacement? It's a subjective questions, my dear, right? What is the maximum displacement of of a point at x is equals to 5 centimeter. Next, Vichaji, what is the velocity of the second you keep 2 minutes? Yes, you can take your time. Yes, beta, you can solve these two patterns. But it's a subjective questions, my dear. Part first, you have to find maximum displacement of a point at x equals to 5 centimeter. Now, students, this is part number B. What is the velocity of the particle at x is equals to 7.5 centimeter at t is equals to 2.5 second. Means 0.25 second बचा है party. Yes, do बचा. Displacement, beta, you can find for the given equations ना. You can feed the data. Students, x you can feed बचा the given equations here. Everywhere, all terms beta mentions, my dear. Okay. Okay. You can find it from here displacement. This given equations now there is mentioned x is equals to 5. Okay. Anyone from all of you. Students, should I solve? Ah, that is fine. If you are targeting for mains, I can say advanced exam, so you can do bacha. Okay, fine. Come bacha, Sagar. Come bacha. So now students, Sagar beta, today in the classroom here, I discussed this pattern of question, not exactly this. Students, for solution of this question, student solution of this questions. If you remember today class, Sagar bacha, we want to find what? Maximum displacement. We want to find what? Maximum displacement. So student, you can first write here given equations. So y is equals to 4 sine of this is pi x by 50 into beta cos of 96 pi t. So what you can see, my dear, for this entire this condition is student, we want to find maximum displacement there. So this entire terms what goes to 1. This entire term student what goes to 1. So now beta, what if we have finally equations? 4 sine of pi x by 15. Pi x will by 15 बचा. Pi x by 15, yeah. X mentioned for this question. We have to find displacement maximum at 5 centimeter. So as usual, my dear, you can write, my dear, that is what 5 here only. So this is 4 students sine 5 pi by 15. So you can say beta 5 3 the 15 here. 5 3 the 15 बचा पड़े. Then you can say 4 sin students pi by 3. And what is pi by 3 बचा? What's the value of pi by 3, my dear? What is the meaning of pi by 3? It's 60 degree near only. You can say root 3 by 2. You can say what's what? Root 3 by 2. Or this is very common, which I can also remember this value here. So, beta finally is it right? What, my dear? This is y is equals to 5 into what, beta? Sine 60 degree. You can write root 3 by 2. Or beta, after solution, you can also write here 0.866. 0.866. So 5 into beta 0.866. Now beta just solve me anyone and answer me. What's answer coming in centimeter? Anyone from all of you? Anyone from all of you, which anyone from all of you? Oh, Hari Krishna Devi beta. Actually, beta, I was busy. Hari Krishna today. Actually, I can say I was busy during solution of the question, bacha. Anyone from answer me? Okay, Arvind, very good, very good. You follow yeah, a lot. You followed a lot, yeah, for class, Arvind. Bacha. Okay, do bacha party further, yeah. So how much? Anyone respond me, yeah? Anyone respond me calculation on this part? Anyone respond me, yeah? Calculation of this part. Okay. So this is what, my dear? 5 into 0.866. Yes, beta. It's a 4 ne yaar. It's a 4 yaar. I wrote wrongly, bacha. 4 bacha. 4 into 0.866. You will get what as 3.46 centimeter. So this is the answer, my dear. This is answer, my dear, for first part of the questions. Okay, what to find second part here? What is the velocity of the particle? Okay, BB is to find velocity here. BB is to find velocity by party. X is what? 7.5 and time is what? 0.25 seconds. Okay. So what's that? Second part, have it, we have to target. Second part, beta, we have to target here. Okay, so what's the equation here? Student, first we have to write given equation, my dear. So this is y is equals to 4 beta. Ah, okay. Yes, I think that's 4. Beta, this is sine of pi x by 15 into which this is cos of 96 pi g. Okay, beta, this is the correct thing, beta party. So I can say yes, beta. So x is what which I mentioned here? 7.5 beta. Right here everything which x which is 7.5 centimeter and time, my dear, 0.25 seconds. Right now? Okay. So bacha party solve further here. I hope all of you remember bacha party for this conditions here. What you can do, bacha, because this is what y as a function of what x. So bacha ji, this thing here you can leave as it is. Beta keep keeping x constant and do beta differentiation with respect to time. I hope all of you remember bacha. Okay, right. So I can say bacha party for these conditions. This is you can write beta partial differentiation here. Daba by daba g. Beta, this is what, my dear, partial differentiation here. This is 4 students sine of pi x by 50 and cos bacha ji what? Minus sine of 96 pi t. Beta, what you can say 96 pi t. And if you remember here, what? Chain rule. beta coefficient of time bacha, just keep it out here. So you can multiply, my dear. This is weight student 96 pi. So you can write, my dear, this is dabba y by dabba g is equals to which, what you can say, bacha ji 4 sine x beta 7.5, 7.5 by 15 minus 96 pi into beta sine of 96 pi t. 96 pi t, right? Okay. This thing, bacha, just will go through here once. So you can write, bacha, again dabba by dabba t, my dear. Right. This is for sine student. This is cancel here. So you can say 75 pi by 150 minus student 96 pi, and time is mentioned here 0.25 seconds. So there student you can write sine of 96 pi into time bacha. This is 0.25 seconds. So beta 5 times cancel here. So you can write dabba by dabba t 4 sine beta g. 15 5s are 75. 15 10s are 50. So this is what coming, students? This is what coming with a sine pi by 2. Sine beta g, what you can say? Pi by 2 minus beta g. 96, 96 pi sine beta g. You can write 96 pi into beta 0.25. Right. Okay. So finally, beta party, what answer will get here? No need to solve further. If you remember class concept, that is the basic mathematics, my dear. So what's the, you can write here, velocity of particle. This is Bachaji 4 sine pi by 2 minus Bachaji 96 pi. Beta, this is just multiply anyone from all of you. Anyone from all of you, Bacha. This is 96 into beta 3.14 into 0.25 beta. Right. So finally, beta, you will get this is sine 24 pi. Right, students, correct, beta. I can say, very good, bacha, very good, very good, very good. Yes, yes, Sagar, beta. So now, beta, what you can say, sine n pi, beta. If you remember, beta, basic mathematics, na, I taught beta in the classroom also many times. Sine n pi, beta. What we can say is 0. So in entire terms, beta, what is the velocity of particle here? Which is equals to 0. It's IIT advanced to 1985. It's no, yeah, how easy questions. IT advanced with party 1985. What's answer of the questions? Which is equals to 0. Which is equals to 0. Is it clear, Bacha party? Should I start next question, my dear? Sagar SS beta. Sagar SS, should I start next questions? Same pattern questions or different, Bacha? Sagar beta, you wanted questions on same pattern or different? Okay. SS. SS said, same pattern of the questions. Okay, okay. Come, Bacha. Okay, I'm giving you just according to just request of both of you, little myself. I'll take in consideration a few, I can say, argument of SS and QUs, right? Okay, come bacha buddy. Beta, it's advanced bacha. JEE, my dear. This is advanced 2014, right? Okay. So what question, my dear? Note down question with me, everyone. One end of a dot string, student. One end of a dot string. One end of a dot string of length 3 3 meter long, 3 meter long, 3 meter along beta, not long. 3 meter along the x-axis. Student, along the x-axis is fixed at x is equals to 0. The speed of the wave, the speed of the wave, speed of the waves the string, in the string is 100 meter per second. The other end of the other end of the string, the other end of the string, other end of the string is vibrating in the y direction, in the y direction, so that stationary waves stationary waves are set up in the string, in the string. Yes, Peter. The possible waveform, the possible waveform of this stationary waves HR. Right, Bacha? Okay, now beta, I'm going to give you a, I can say option first. By as sir, I joined late, sir. Oh, you joined SS now. In fact, I can say NS beta. I also got delay because I went to somewhere. Okay, okay, NS beta. Literally, if you're liking session here, now I can say today I'm doing students only. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Syllabus questions only. Syllabus questions only, beta. Yes, because this is the timing for your class only, right? So usually I have to plan uh, live stream 7 to 8:30. Just I can say requirement of your class only. Got this, beta. If you're really liking, I can say NS beta. So like stream here. So reaction beta. SS, I can say NS beta. Y as a function of t square. This is A time sine of pi x by 6 cos of 50 pi t by 3. Bombay students, by as a function of time t, a sine pi x by 3 cos 100 pi t by 3 beta Canada, by as a function of t, my dear. You can take your time, Vicha. No need to hurry. A sine 5 pi x by 6 cos 250 pi t by 3. What is this, Arvind? Why you are this all this writing in live system, bacha? Arvind, this is not a physical class, beta. What does it mean? Why you wrote delete? Delete, Arvind, what you wrote? A students sine 5 t by 2 into x cos 250 pi t. Okay, do beta once. All of you. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Don't worry. Anyone from all of you, just answer me the questions quickly. Don't be late, beta, too much. Okay, students, should I do? Anyone from all of you, answer me quickly. Okay, Sagar Bombay. Okay, any more candidates except Sagar? Those who can answer me. Those who can answer me. Okay, sir, what is the answer? Okay, SS also same answer, Sagar also same answer. SS and Sagar. Okay, SS and Sagar both have a same answer. Okay, Habib Bachapati. What was says here? One end of the thought string of the length, beta what dimensions? 3 meter. बच्चा length beta what dimension? This is what 3 meter. Okay. So beta have a look here. The question first, students for solutions. Okay. Beta amplitude mentioned in the question, bachcha. That is what you can say y is equals to plus minus a. Beta amplitude here, which is what? X is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. Beta, everyone remember here, speed of wave, velocity of wave, bachcha. Coefficient of t by coefficient of x. So, or you can say omega by k, bachcha, party. So this is what you can say 100 meter per second. This is what you can say, bacha, 100 meter per second. Okay. So here you can see, bacha, party, which equations I can say applicable, bacha, party, for this condition. So you can say, bacha, coefficient of t by coefficient of x. Coefficient of t by a, everyone remains same, bacha. Coefficient of t, bacha. This is what. Just have a look here. Everyone here only. I'll find. Coefficient of t, bacha. So let's wave 50 pi by 3. Coefficient of t by coefficient of x here. So this is pi into 6. Pi beta cancel here. This is what coming 100. This will remain a bacha party. Here you can just again beta 100 coming here. This is also coming 100 bacha party. A right. But 100 coming, no. Coefficient of t by 100 pi by 3. Pi by 3. A A. See bacha 52. S. Yes beta ji. Yes beta. So answer correct bacha only A C and D. A C and D is correct answer. Students, A Hare Krishna student. Arab, you are too late. Hmm. Beta, is this clear, students? Anyone from all of you answers? Think carefully. Simple, bacha. A is mentioned. A everywhere remains constant. You have to find velocity here. You have to find bacha velocity. How, sir? Okay. Come, beta. Yes. This is the formula here. As we know, velocity of wave. Right. So you have to find velocity of wave in all cases. Let us suppose I'm finding for velocity for case number one. So case number one, beta, what we can see velocity of wave is party coefficient of t by coefficient of x beta. So what's the question here? Coefficient of t. Tell me. This is what beta I can say 50 pi upon beta ji 3 into which this is pi into 6 cancel here coming 100 meter per second. Yes, I'm telling you only. Next beta. Bombay answer here. Bombay बचा party again velocity of wave. Coefficient of t बचा. What mention? 100 pi by 3. 100 pi by 3. And this is what beta? Pi by 3. Pi by 3. Right. So you can see बचा party carefully here. This is the function which we are getting. By the way, beta. Options B also coming 100 here. Option B बचा party also coming 100 here. What options B बचे? Think once here. 100 pi. Oh, there is some error which happened in question itself. We can say A, B, C, D all are correct. Certain Bombay can also come. Yes, Sagar Beta. Sagar Beta, correct here. Yes, Sagar Beta. This is also correct. Because as per the question which I gave you, as per the question beta, I can say here, this one also correct. Yes, Bacha ji. There is one more point, Bacha. You can think. We can connect here node and anti-node point. Students, you have to connect node and anti-node. So for node beta, displacement is minimum. So you can see displacement 0. For node students, you can see displacement 0. For anti-node beta, what you can see displacement is maximum. For anti-node beta, what you can see displacement is maximum. Right? Okay. If displacement is beta maximum here for this condition, what student you can say for particular bacha ji, for this case, behalf of that bacha, you know, what is the meaning of beta node and anti-node as I said in the classroom. So what is displacement anti-node at x is equals to 3 meter and node at what x is equals to 0. So bacha party behalf of this here, this is satisfying, right? Because this is what pi by 3. This is what 100 pi by 3. You can see 5 pi by 6. This is 200 pi by 3. Okay. Yes, beta. Node and anti-node, beta. With respect to beta, node and anti-node, we can say, bacha, A, C, and D correct only. A, C, and D correct only. A, C, and D correct only, bacha. Okay. I hope got it, everyone. I hope all of you got it. Yes. So now, beta, we have to start next questions here. Ha, beta. Do one theory question, bacha, buddy. Do beta one theory question, students. All of you. Standing wave can be produced. Student one theory question here. IIT Advanced 1999, 3 marks. Students, IIT 1999, 3 marks questions here. Okay, so what questions here, students? Standing waves, standing waves can be produced. Standing wave can be produced. Option first on a string, on a string clamped, clamped at both ends. Second बच्चा जी, on a string clamp at one end free at the other, on a string, on a string clamped at one end free at the other, at the other. Okay, see बच्चा, maximum displacement of the midpoint, maximum displacement of the midpoint of the string from its equilibrium position is 0.01 meter. Last beta ji, the fundamental frequency. Last beta none. Last beta ji none. Okay. Answer me beta quickly. It's multi correct. Yes, beta. It's multiple correct. It's multi correct, student. Anyone from all of you? Okay. Should I do beta? Students, should I do this question? Students, should I do this question? Sagar, SS, Arvind. Okay, come beta. Everyone, yeah, just be focused here only. You have to must know uh, what is standing wave. What is standing wave? Okay, beta, if we have a two identical wave, what my dear? If you have a two identical wave superimposing each other, if we have a two identical wave superimposing each other, right? And beta, I can say both are opposite to each other. You can take one wave from this side. You can take black color is what coming from. You can say left to right. Another wave beta coming from this side here. Another wave beta coming from this side. So this is what you can see standing wave. This is student what you can see standing wave. So what's a standing wave, bacha? Standing waves are produced by two identical waves superimposing while traveling in what opposite directions. One beta I can say black line going in this direction. The black is what in this direction, my dear, and this here, this wave is what coming in this directions. If you have two identical wave, if they are superimposing each other, so better for that reason you can say bacha about it. What standing wave? So what's in the questions on a string clamped at both ends? True bacha. You can clamp bacha here also. Yes, this is you can clamp it. One wave from this side, one wave from this side bacha about it. So both are what superimposing each other on a string clamp at both ends. On a string clamped at both ends. Okay. So bacha, that is true bacha. On a string, on a string clamped at one. One is fixed, one is free bacha. You can also say beta. Both are true only here. One wave from this side, one wave from this side beta. First also true. Second beta is also true. Third is what? Maximum displacement of the midpoint. Correct beta. This is the maximum, which is we are calling antinode. This is the maximum displacement. This is the maximum displacement, right? So, bacha, you can say options beta correct. America, Bombay, and you can say Canada. America, Bombay, and Canada beta. These all are correct, bacha. These all are correct, bacha. Okay, fine. So, all of you at home, do hard work, revise your notes because which you are doing, literally, it's very good. Right, students? Everyone revise at home bacha party, all the notes. Students, this is all about today class, beta. I'll catch you tomorrow, everyone. Yes, beta. God bless you all. All the very best.